Welcome to Sherwood RV's 2-minute tour of the 2022 Coleman 274BH. If you're in the market for a simple bunk model floor plan that has all the modern amenities, come on along and find out if this one's right for you. The front of the Coleman sports a coated rock guard, power tongue jack, and will come with two 20-pound propane tanks, a 12-volt battery, and battery box. It has a hitch weight of 586 pounds. The Coleman's front passenger side has the power stab jack control and access to the large pass-through storage with magnetic door latches. Further down and under the 14-foot LED-lit power awning, you'll find the Lippert solid step entry, above which is the friction hinge door and outdoor speaker. The second power stab jack control is towards the back. The rear of the 274 is prepped for a backup camera and holds the bumper-mounted spare tire. On the driver's side is the 30-amp connection, the tank valves, and the potable water fill. Towards the front and in the pass-through is the convenience center containing TV and water hookups, a 110 power outlet, and a spray port connection. The 274's uncomplicated and visually appealing floor plan has all you will need to start enjoying the great outdoors. Let's start with the 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge freezer combo. Next to that is the microwave, 3-burner stovetop oven, and the black farm sink with high-rise faucet. All capped off with a fair amount of cabinets and drawers. Heading towards the bedroom is the comfy jackknife couch that folds out for extra sleeping space. The bedroom has a walk-around queen-size bed, a nightstand and wardrobe on each side, as well as upper shelving for even more storage. The dinette is on the camp side, will drop down into extra sleeping space, and has storage above it. The bunk beds each have USB charging and are LED lit. So if you want to know more, just give us a call or come on in. At Sherwood RV, we can talk Coleman all day long.